Hello everyone and welcome back. This is the parent or teacher orientation video. I'm so glad you're here with me today, and I wanted to take a few minutes before you started using the course to talk a little bit about the activities that I present here and why I chose these activities specifically. All of the activities in this course are things that I utilize myself in my practice as both a yoga teacher and as a therapist. I've used these activities probably hundreds of times, and I continually am surprised by the way that children are drawn to these activities. Sometimes I make assumptions that a certain child is going to like a certain activity, and I'm almost always wrong, no matter how well I know the child. So please try the different activities and see what works best for your child. All of the activities that I've chosen for this video are simple. I chose these simple activities because sometimes in the busyness of our daily lives, we forget to just slow down and keep things simple. And mindfulness is really about that. It's about learning how to slow down and listen to our hearts, our minds, and our bodies. There are a lot of resources and research out there about the effects of mindfulness and what mindfulness is. In this course, we're not really going to get into that. The purpose of this course is just to present you with a few activities that you can utilize that help children bring their awareness to the present moment. Jon Kabat-Zinn defines mindfulness as paying attention on purpose to the present moment. And that's how I'm going to define it for the purpose of this course. If you want to learn more about mindfulness or the research behind it, there is a document in your curriculum section that has resources you can explore on your own. Please remember to make sure that you and your child feel safe and comfortable as you're going through these activities. If there's anything you don't like, just skip it and move on to the next thing. Thank you for viewing this video. I look forward to seeing you in the course ahead. Have a great day.